Hi everyone and welcome back to another simple video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix the problem where the profile views option is missing from your TikTok profile. This is a useful feature that allows you to see who visited your TikTok profile in the last 30 days. But if you don't see the option on your profile, then there are two different steps which you can take. The first step is to go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your device. So if it says update right around here, that means that you have to update TikTok in order to have the latest features and functions. But if this didn't work, I have another fix for you. We'll open our TikTok application and then go to your TikTok profile. When you are on the TikTok profile, you want to take a screenshot which we will use for later. So take the screenshot and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now go to the settings and privacy. When we open the TikTok settings, scroll all the way down until you can see this report a problem option and open it. And then we'll scroll down and find the submit a report button. What we will do is to contact the TikTok team and write them a message. You want to explain the problem, tell them that you don't have the profile views option on your profile and kindly ask them to enable the feature for you and resolve your issue. You can also upload the screenshot of your profile page that we took a couple of seconds ago, and the TikTok team should respond to you within a day or two and solve your problem. And that's how you can fix the profile views option not showing on TikTok. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll see you in the next video.